Tired of complicated diets? Discover how you can shed pounds, boost your energy, and improve your health, all without giving up your favorite foods. Intermittent fasting, or IF, is a simple eating pattern alternating between periods of eating and fasting. It can help with weight loss, improve your metabolism, and enhance focus while reducing inflammation. If you're curious about trying IF, this video is perfect for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start intermittent fasting today. Intermittent fasting is all about timing. You eat during specific windows and fast for the rest. Common methods include the 16/8 method, fast for 16 hours, eat within 8. The 5-2 method, normal eating for 5 days, reduced calories for 2. Alternate day fasting, fast every other day. Why try intermittent fasting? It helps you burn fat during fasting periods, improves insulin sensitivity, and may lower your risk of type 2 diabetes. It also boosts energy and mental clarity, backed by research from experts like Dr. Jason Fung. Here's how to start as a beginner. Choose the 16/8 method for simplicity. Set a schedule, like stopping eating at 8 p.m. and having breakfast at noon. Focus on whole foods during eating windows, such as lean proteins, healthy fats, and veggies. Stay hydrated with water, black coffee, or tea during fasting and eating periods. Listen to your body, expect hunger or fatigue at first, but these get easier with time. Avoid these common mistakes: overeating during your eating window, not drinking enough water, starting with an overly strict schedule, ignoring your body's hunger signals. What method are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Remember, intermittent fasting is about progress, not perfection. Start small and adjust to what works for you. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly health tips, and I'll see you in the next video.